still playing with you.
That is my big best friend.
Okay, she can play with you. Alright. And alright. Can exurb just a little more longer.
And you know what I have to say to your house? This is apartment.
Oh man.
I live in an apartment. What? Apartment is scary.
This is the little lamp. I'm walking all on my own. No one to
Baby,
see.
wake up.
Oh,
Number
can
two,
let that
house. Let's go.
I'm
The
not to
baby's
see.
house. This is not my house. What's in it is their house.
Whoa, I see a nice hot
Pretend I was
girl.
having a dream.
She is over there. Right there.
Oh, hi. It's so nice to meet
I
you.
can't see your face. Oh, sorry about that.
It's so nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah. You're cute.
That
You.
was gonna be my house, Adina.
Thank you. Shake your hand.
Oh, shake
Oh.
hands. Nice to meet
I'm
you.
just kidding. This
See
is
you
Barbie
next day.
house.
I mean, another day.
I got a
We'll
question.
go. That
You wanna go on
is
a
there.
Sure.
This is
Can I tell you the time? I'll pick you up at your house at 6:30, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Bye.
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 I got my new date. Hey. Hair crazy. And then we go home. Bye.
Bye.
I got my new date. I got my bye. Sorry. I got my new. I got my new date.
Bye. Go home. Yay.
I got a new date. I got a new date. I got a new date. I got a 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 date.
The cliff.
Yeah. Bye. Stop it, stupid.
My hair.
Stop.
Hi.
Oh, hi. This is the date place. Just stand right here.
So I like this tablecloth.
Oh,
Get your feet off the table.
sorry. Thank you. What would you like to eat?
I will like some lasagna, please.
Hey, I'm about to go. Oh, there's the planner. The planner.
Can I please have some lasagna?
Here is the thingy to
The
lick
plate?
off. The thingy to lick off.
Oh, the music.
Oh, I have to go to trial. Oh no. I'm
Sorry that I'm not ready or nothing.
It's okay.
My hair's
I'm mostly my first time having a date too.
crazy. I'll be back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Alright. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Because no one hasn't subscribed. I don't know. Just please subscribe. Thank you. Oh, it was produced by me and Miranda. I was the boy. She was the girl. She likes being the girl. I like being the boy. It was actually his first time having a date. Everyone would just run away from him. Bye. Please subscribe. Thank you.